Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope everyone is doing well. Hi, today the video is about Hot Wheels Color Shifter, which is a Mattel Dream Mobile, which is a toy car created by Mattel in 1953. And here is the instruction on the back of the card. So let's take it out of the box and let's see how does it look in person and what color it reveals when it is being dipped into the warm water. As so far it looks really cool with this dark green color having a Hot Wheel logo on both the side and the borderline of mint green. So I already had here the warm water, so I'm going to dip this color shifter car and let's see what color it reveals. And it reveals the mintish green color. Wow, and can be seen the star like images on both the sides and the Hot Wheel logo. And this is the card which shows that when it is being splashed or it is being dipped in the warm water, and that is the after effect. That's a real color that was a dark green, which you can see in the card, and this is the one which is being dipped into the warm water. So I have two temperature water, one is cold and one is warm. So I'm dipped in the cold water and it changes to the original color what we got. And let's take it out, and I'm going to dip in. You don't see any star-like image in both the sides as it looks very plain. So let me dip into the warm water, and the color is revealed and it shows the mint green and star like image can be seen in both the sides. I think I can play with this warm and cold water, dipping into the warm and cold. It's fun. It's really fun to play with this color shifter Hot Wheels as they reveal its color. So which color do you like it? The dark green or the mint color? For me, I think I like the mintish green color. And again, I'm going to dip into the warm water. I think it doesn't take that much time when it is being dipped into the warm water, but when I dip in the cold water, it takes a little time to come in the original color. Let me check into the warm water again. Wow, within a split of a second it just changes to the mint green, and here it changed. Doing back and forth, you can get to know that in which water it changes fast and which water it takes time. So what do you think about this color changing Hot Wheel cars? Let me know in the comment section down below. As my room temperature, I kept room temperature a little bit cold, so I wanted to see in the room temperature does it change. So I'm going to do an experiment as it was dipped in the warm water, and I'm going to put aside and leave it for a while. Does it change? Yes, it is changing. It's into its original color. It's kind of getting into the more darker. It's almost there, and yes, it changed into its normal color. I took it out in my garden and I wanted to see. This is dipped into the warm water. I took it out, and as it's very cold outside, and you can see it started changing it to the normal dark green color. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy collecting.